Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Made in Spain toolset by Bahco. This episode is continuation of previous episodes of Bahco tools made in Spain. Now, why I made short videos for Made in Spain tools? As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, Bahco tools used to be made in Sweden, then they moved their factory to Spain along with all the machineries. There was a time when some of the Bahco tools were used to made in Germany, Argentina and Brazil. Nowadays, Bahco tools are made in China and Taiwan mostly. In recent time, I found some discount of Bahco product from local finish shop. It was clearance sale, and these tools are made in Spain. I have already talked about many other tool set in this category. Those tools I got on discount were surprisingly made in Spain, which you don't find easily nowadays for obvious reasons. Now today is the day of this tool set in foam insert. Here is the part number. Look at this. It's made in Spain. This tool set I bought just for 30 euros. Let me show you what we got here. It's got one pipe wrench, adjustable locking plier and mini hacksaw with additional metal saw blades. Interestingly, this mini hacksaw without additional blades cost just over 20 euros and those are made in China. This mini hacksaw has metal frame. Blades are from high quality sand flex. The frame got Bahco with fish logo and part number also stamped. Frame material is made of die cast metal which is durable. It's a quality hacksaw. Blade can be installed and removed with the ring gear screw. Blades are adjustable too. This mini saw is very handy for difficult to reach areas, like cutting the bushing out of control arms or cutting the rusted screw on exhaust pipe. Blades are 250mm or 10 inch in size. Material of blade is 24 TPI bi-metal. These are very strong metal blade. Taking out the plier is a bit tricky. This locking plier is one of my favorites. I have already same two pliers in my use. These are awesome pliers. Handles are comfort grip with anti-slip surface. It is pretty heavy duty. Look how the plier is adjusted and locked smoothly. Press the spring mechanism and adjust the plier mouth and release the spring. It will be locked and secured. I tell you guys, I have used the same plier a lot. It is very high quality plier. I highly recommend this plier to everyone. It costs around 35 euros and quality wise is not less than Knipex or Snap-on in my personal opinion. Now let's have a look into the adjustable wrench. This is another quality piece of tool. I love how the comfort grip handle is that. The material is rubberized, but it is highly resistant to chemical and oil, and it has anti-slip surface. On the top of that, it is very comfy and fit goods in hands. Look at the metal part side, very well made with dimension on it. Adjustment screw mechanism is smooth and sturdy. It's got wider mouth. Snap-on offers similar plier with ridges on the claws, and those are pretty popular in USA. Here you can see the prices, almost over $100. Only couple of them are just under $100. Here in Finland, today's price of this wrench is around 40 euros or 43 US dollars, which is way cheaper than in USA. And by the way, those snap-on wrenches are made by Bahco. So technically, these Bahco wrenches and snap-on wrenches are the same. The only difference is flank drive ridges on the snap-on wrenches. Now icing on cake, this whole set I just got around 30 euros or 32 US dollars. This is a steal. I'm very happy to get these made in Spain tools by Bahco with such cheap prices. And these are really high quality tools. Alright guys, it's time to end this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you got some thoughts just write down below in the comment section. Thanks for coming along. If you are not subscriber, consider to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.